this wash day is a little bit chaotic, but we're here to have some fun. So we're going to transfer my hair to this. Oh, and we're staying away from this. So my hair still smells good from the last wash day. You guys go on my channel, watch my natural hair wash day. So I'm going to show you guys what I do to get my hair to go back to being soft and curly. And it requires just 2 basic products and 1 tool. So I am wetting my hair. So with my hair, if you have a hair type like mine, it requires a lot of water, but I think it's the porosity level for your hair. So if you have a porosity level like mine, it means that we are soaking our hair. I'm just loving how hot the water is right now. So I am ensuring that every strand is completely wet. Now I have a video on detangling my hair for curly hair, for coily, for black girls. Go and watch that because it's in depth. I think I have multiple videos. You guys will like it if you like this video. So we're going in with cleansing the hair and removing all the dirt, all the buildup, all the oil. Going in with this Dove Intensive Repair shampoo. Now this is just a shampoo that I'm using for this month. Every month I use a different shampoo and conditioner because I run out of them really fast. Again, my porosity level is really high, so it requires me to use a lot of product, and this is what I'm just using. This is not a holy grail product or something that I would say only use this for your coily hair. No, when it comes to my videos, I just use what I have. That's why I tell you guys to always watch mine, because I have different products and I always let you guys know, hey, is this a go or is this a no? And as you can see, this Dove shampoo is really good quality. I've tried a lot of Dove shampoos before, but this one has been the best that I ever had over my 20 plus years of using Dove products. And it just, you don't even need a lot, and it does a really good job. So I'm going in with this. I think I bought this either on Temu or Shein, cannot remember, but it's supposed to help with the circulation on your scalp and removing any buildup or dry scalp. And I love it. It feels good. So they're saying instead of using your hands, you can use that. And I'm showing you guys to actually go through every part of your hair, like open up sections of your hair and focus it and just put it in instead of just only focus it on the front, because I watch a few videos and people only focus it on the front and I'm like, girl, what happened to the rest of your hair? So as you guys are seeing, I was sectioning it. If you realize, I focused the shampoo on the roots of my hair and then let the rest like fall down, or I brought it down. That's what you should do as well. That's a little technique. So most of the cleansers on the scalp and the roots. And this doesn't hurt at all. It's silicone and it feels good. So I'm just showing you guys, a lot of shampoo. I feel like this is the first shampoo too that actually has this much. And it feels good quality too, even as a set. I don't know. You guys are probably like, all shampoos feel the same. No, it doesn't. If you've bought a lot of shampoos before, some of them give you that stripped feeling and it doesn't have that much sud. Do you see? And I don't know how to explain it. It feels rich and thick. It's good quality. Shocked. I've been using a few shampoos over the past few months and I feel like this has succeeded all the previous ones that I've been using, and it's insane. And I'm just having fun because I'm like, this is literally so much. Anyways, this is not a review of the product, but if you have tangled hair or matted hair, you don't want to go with this step first, but I do have a video on what to do. There's a technique to detangling your hair before washing it, okay? Save yourself the tears. Please. Also, if you're someone who wants to grow their hair, a good technique is to reduce the amount of times you wash your hair depending on the high activity you do throughout the day. Now, I would say leaving your hair alone is the best method for hair growth, and always oiling it. And when I say leave it alone, you want to do minimal activity to your hair. I wash my hair very minimal as well. I can go 2 weeks without washing my hair, or I'll wait until 2 weeks to wash my hair. Now, if I was doing more sports where I was sweating a lot, yes, I would be washing my hair often. And then in the summer, that's a little bit different as well, depending on my hairstyle. I always wash my hair as well if I have gel in my hair or any product. Another reason why your hair is breaking off is you guys have product in your hair for too long. Gel is not supposed to be in your hair for more than a day or two. And 2 days is pushing your hair health. To be honest, you want to wash your hair out And when you guys are using the hair glues to put on wigs, if you have that glue on your hairline for days and weeks and a whole month, it's going to break off your hair because these chemicals are not supposed to be in your hair every day. Do you see how long it's taking me to remove the shampoo from my hair? Literally a little bit does go a long way. A little bit goes a long way with this shampoo. Anyway, so we're going to go on to the next step. I'm just trying to get everything out. I've been playing too much games in the shower, as you guys have been seeing, but it feels good. My hair also does not feel stripped and everything has gone out of my hair. It still feels moisture. Like this video if you're still watching. So now I'm going with the conditioner. This conditioner is also very good. I like it. So this is the Dove Intensive Repair Conditioner. And honestly, guys, when I went to the store, I just grabbed it off the shelf. I was like, oh, I haven't tried this. This must be new. It's new and it's amazing. So I use a little bit more conditioner in my hair because conditioner helps with detangling and it makes it easier for me to detangle my hair. I don't know the science behind conditioners, but I just love it, especially with my hair type. If you have 4C hair, 4B, coily, kinky, curly hair, or just curly hair, conditioner is your best friend. And I'm just like, wait, is this done? Because girl, I be using this. Because when it comes to detangling my hair, I do not want to feel any pain at all. And the conditioner really helps with reducing pain. Now, that's a trick when it comes to wash day with coily hair. What the hell? When I saw that, I was like, this looks like it came right out the root, super long. And I was like, yeah, this came out right out my scalp. Like, how? R.I.P. Anyways, so I'm going to show you guys. My hair can easily detangle now. Look, very easy. Always start from the bottom and up. Again, watch my detangle routine. This is not the video. And it's so much more easier. It didn't hurt. And this is how I like wash day routines. Now some of you guys are looking at my hair and it's like, why is it straight? Oh, it's because I love sew-ins. So my leave out, I perm it just so I don't have to straighten my hair every day. So I don't have to straighten my leave out every day, and it does not puff up at all when you perm your leave out. But I don't touch the rest of my hair because hell no, I like having natural hair, but I also do like having sew-ins because it doesn't take that long for me to get ready with a sew-in when it comes to hair. So as you guys can see, my hair is combed out. This is how it looks. Some of my hair still looks dry for some reason, and again, I think it's my porosity level. My hair just kind of, yeah. That's it. I'm just showing you guys the curls. My hair is a little bit detangled. And this is how much hair came out from me pulling it. And yay, time to wash out everything. But as I was saying, comment down below if you made it this far in this video. Do you have any differences when it comes to your wash day? Do you like doing it in the laundry room, sink? Do you prefer when someone else does it at a hair salon? I prefer someone else doing it at a hair salon, to be honest. But hey, that can't happen all the time, especially if you have to wash your hair out quickly. So as you can see, my hair looks so good. And from this point of view, my hair looks moisturized. It looks healthier. It looks good. And I like to see it. I've been thinking about dyeing my hair again, and I was like, maybe I shouldn't. Because if I dye it, I'm going to have to maintain it. And then I know me, after a month, I'm going to want to switch my hair color back. Or I want to do a hairstyle that requires my hair to be fully black, and I don't have time for it. Yeah, I hate how I'm like that. I'm like, so, yeah. And then I have been over wigs. Am I the only one who has been over putting on hair wigs? I just find them so annoying. They're just so, they're actually high maintenance. Anyways, we are done. So I'm going to show you guys what I do in my hair routine after I come out the shower. But I just want to give you guys a 360 of my hair. It looks good. 10 out of 10. As it is important to follow a good routine in the shower, aftercare is actually much more important. So what we're going to do is actually oil our scalp. And I have my comb here to help me. And I'm going in with the hair oil. Now, this hair oil matches with my hair thickness. So the density of my hair and the porosity level. You have to find a hair oil that matches with your hair. If you have thinner hair, you wouldn't go in with a thick hair oil like this because your hair would be swimming in oil. But this is the perfect one for my scalp. And I also put hair oil on my hair, which you guys will see later on in the video. So basically, you just go through sections and you oil your scalp. I actually, if you have me sitting on a floor and I'm watching something, I will do smaller section and go and oil my entire hair. I take it serious because I think this is really important. And then after, I go in and put hair oil on the actual hair as well. And my hair sucks up a lot of oil, so this is perfectly fine. And this helps with hair growth. If you feel like your scalp is dry and it's flaky, did you oil your hair? You have to oil your hair often. Like, I oil it every 3 days and it'll be good. So as you can see, I'm doing a protective hairstyle. One thing I would recommend you guys do after washing your hair is do a protective hairstyle, especially if you have thick hair like mine. Either plait your hair out in 4, in 6, in 8, it doesn't matter, twist it out in 8 sections and leave it and let it dry. Or you can just do what I'm doing and I'm cane rolling it in 2. And this is going to help with hair protection. And I also make my hair dry. Honestly, if I want my hair to air dry, I will section out it in probably 8 sections and let it air dry that way, like twist it and air dry. Because if I leave my hair to dry in an afro, it is going to get tangled again and you're basically starting all over and you're going to start crying. So do follow my tip of me telling you guys to literally do this after you finish washing your hair. You're going to thank me later. Do not let your hair dry in an afro. It's just the biggest mistake you can ever do to yourself. RIP and say hello to your tears. So as you can see, I did a simple two braids in my hair and I was actually shocked. I'm like, wait, my hair grew a lot for someone who's not taking care of their hair. Imagine if I actually did sit down and take care of my hair, how much longer my hair would be. Because girl, I have not taken care of my hair for 3 years now. I've been dyeing it, neglecting it, perming leave out. Like, come on now, I need to do better. Anyways, if you guys did find this video helpful, oh, and I'll always promote on my channel to do air drying method for your hair instead of heat drying method. It's way better. It's healthier. Anyways, comment down below if you made it this far, and I'll see you in my next video. Au revoir.